Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to McArthur Industries Group. We're here in AllBrand Caravan Services and Arrow Caravans. We're here today to talk about one commonly known thing that really upsets a lot of travellers in the Australian marketplace: dust. So dust scenario that we have, I would say more from our people, the females, when they're in a group of that sort of things, where they pull up, the husband's outside or their partner's outside, getting the van ready, and the next thing you know, they walk inside and there's layers of red dust through. So what we've done with a beautiful client of ours, Gary Goldspink, been coming to us for quite some time. Really nice guy. We've done lithium battery setups. He's got Red Oak BMS. He's done so much to this van. It's a really well set up van. One thing he didn't have, and he knows he has this as a response from his partner, is dust when they travel out west. So we've gone with this client and worked with him for what he wanted. We looked at a few different systems. We had the Dometic DRS system, but what we've come back to is the CaraFan. Okay, the CaraFan's a great unit. Filter, the filtration system is actually changed from the top. And what we want to go on about this is the difference that it does is positive pressure inside these vans. So with these things, if you need any sort of like looking into this, because we know a lot of people think about it but don't go down the track and do it. I've got to admit, heaps of people that have done it will never go back. So think about this in the future. You are traveling, think about your different systems. There is different systems out there that need different places fitted on your caravan. So we need to talk about that in the marketplace. So we'll get a few videos of this, get a few photos and snaps of the caravan. We fitted this inside a hatch that was already here. Our metal fabrication place, plasma cut up a few little plates, and then we've colour matched them in our paint shop for white inside and grey on the roof to make sure it looks fantastic on this. Comes as a factory finish, so when somebody comes into this van, it looks perfect. So if you need any of this sort of work, come and see us. Give us a call. The friendly team are here to answer your calls. Have a great day. Thank you.